So there you have it, a spoon rest, a fairly quick project that most people can do in an afternoon. I hope you like this video format. I want to do one that's a little bit more fun. And I'm thinking about re-editing this one sometime in the future and doing possibly a how-to as well. So if you want to see that, let me know. But this is a quick project that most people can do in an afternoon and make the wife happy. This is exactly what she wanted, so she gets it. Now, if some of you have been watching the channel for a long time, you will remember when I made this spoon rest out of a piece of bamboo flooring, and it really worked well, except for the fact it has glue holding everything together, and that glue went into the dishwasher and it all came apart. So we ended up making a new spoon rest that is exactly what my wife wants. So I hope you like that. If you did, please hit like, comment, subscribe, hit that little ring the bell thing. All those things make me very happy. Thank you for that. Also, if you want to help out the channel, I have shirts for sale on my website, patreon.com, or you can become a member and join the channel. So that's about it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. This spoon rest reminds me of a shovel. Now there was a groundbreaking invention.